So in this lesson, we're going to add some animation to the text. When you click on a text, there's an option here called animation. And if you click it, there's a couple of options here. And you can sample all of them by just hovering over each option. So I'm going to use the expand in just for the top one, for the top header. And you can go in and customize the length as well. You can increase the duration, for example. Maybe I'll make it a slower fade in. And I'm going to tick the only animate first time option. And so we can preview how that looks. So it just helps to add a little bit of movement to the text. So you can also add some sort of effects to your strips. So the parallax effect is one of my favorite effects. It allows you to see the page moving as you move the page. So let's have a look here when I preview. As I go down, we can still see this page. It doesn't stay static. Try to add some animation or background scroll effects to give some character to your site.